Okay, so we are doing the concept of your differentiation beta. Differentiation means what? The smallest part of any body. Smallest part of your any body is known as of your differentiation. That is smallest part of a body which we can cut. So that if I add back, I will be getting my regular body is called as of your differentiation in a simple language. So if y is equal to some x to the power of n, then differentiation of y with respect to x is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Example, if y is equal to x, differentiation of x is always 1. Like that, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5 by 2, root x. Whenever we get root x, you write it as x to the power of 1 by 2 and simplify it. One more example I'm taking here, fifth one. Y is equals to x to the power of your 2 by 3. Then differentiation of this one is how much better? Differentiation of y with respect to your x will be equal to, write the power first, 2 by 3, x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. That means that will become for me 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 will become how much better? 2 by 3 is the smallest part. That means that will become for me minus of 1 by 3. So I can take that one down. So it is 2 x 3 2 by 3 x to the power of 1 by 3. This will be the answer. Clear? Is it clear? Sure. Okay. Next one. Let me write you some standard formulas of differentiation beta. Standard formulas of your differentiation. First one. Differentiation of x to the power of n dy by dx will be equal to n x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, next one. Differentiation of your x is always equals to your 1. Third one. Differentiation of your root x divided by your dx is always equals to 1 by 2 into root x, because this will come regularly better. That is the reason I'm writing this one right now here. Okay, next one. Differentiation of sin x, differentiation of your sin x divided by your dx is always equals to your cos x. Okay, the same way. Differentiation of your cos x with your dx will be equal to minus of your sin x. Okay, sixth one. Differentiation of your tan x is always equals to your secant square x. Seventh one. Differentiation of your cot x divided by dx is always equals to minus of your cosecant square x. Okay, eighth one. Differentiation of x exponential to the power of x by your dx is always equal to your exponential to the power of x. Clear? The same way. Differentiation of your log e x divided by your dx is always equals to 1 by x. Okay, and differentiation of any constant, differentiation of your any constant is always equals to your 0. Okay, the one which are very important to be continuously be remembered is number 1, number 4, number 5, and number 8, number 9, and number 10. This we very frequently use in the kinematics, because second and third anyhow you can derive it from the first one. That is the reason I have not underlined it. So first one आप लोग को you need to remember it like anything. Fourth one, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. याद रखना है basically. And differentiation of your exponential to the power of x is always e to the power of x only. And differentiation of log x will be equal to 1 by x. Differentiation of any constant will be equal to 0. Is that clear for everyone? Sure. Let me write you some rules to solve the numericals related to this one. Sure. rules for differentiation. First rule देखो बेटा. Rule number 1. If y is equals to some constant multiplied by your some function, u is a constant and u is a differentiable function, then whenever a function is with constant, you try to bring out that constant out and differentiate the function better, like this. dy by dx will be equal to, bring the c out and differentiate du divided by dx. Clear? What is c here? C is your constant. C is your constant. Example देखो, अगर y is equals to 5 into your x to the power of 4 है, isn't it? Then if I'm asking you find dy by dx, आंसर क्या लिखोगे जल्दी से बताओ. dy by dx will be equal to 5 out. Now you differentiate x to the power of 4 divided by dx. That will be equal to 5. So this will be equal to your, right now 4 x to the power of 4 minus 1. So that will be equal to 5 into 4 x to the power of 3. 4 5 is at 20. 20 x to the power of 3. Clear? Is it clear? One more example. Example number 2. If y is equals to 2 by your x square, isn't it? And how do you differentiate this one? dy by dx will be equal to 2 is a constant. X square I will take out right now this. So it will be x to the power of minus 2 divided by dx. So that will be equal to 2 into this one is minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. So that will be equal to how much for me? Can anyone tell me? Minus 2, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, x to the power of your minus 3. So that will be equal to minus 4, x to the power of minus 3, if it goes down, that will become for me plus. So it is minus 4 x to the power of 3. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Sure. So please try to practice some problems based on this one beta. It will be helpful for you. I'm giving you some questions as an homework. You can just try to write it out. So I'm giving you some homework, you see, on this one. Find the differentiation of following. Number 1. Try कर लो आप लोग घर पे. Y is equals to 2x. What will be the answer? And y is equals to 3 into x cube. Then y is equals to 4 into root x. And fourth one, y is equals to 5 by x. This is 5. And fifth one, y is equals to 6 by root x. So it will become perfect, that's it. Y is equals to 7 by x to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. I'll give the answers also for this one on beside, so that it will be easy for you to identify whether the answer what you got is correct or not. I'll use the another pen, so it is getting blurred. इसका आंसर आना चाहिए आपको 2. You should be getting the answer for this one as 9x square. You can cross check it बेटा. इसका आंसर आना चाहिए 2 by root x. इसका आंसर आना चाहिए 5 by x square. And for this one it is minus of 3 by x to the power of 3 by 2. And for this one it is minus of 21 divided by 2x to the power of 5 by 2. Practice and try to let me know whether you're getting them or not in the chat box. Clear? Chalo. Second rule. Rule 2. So what does the rule 2 say? See right now here. See, if y is equals to some u plus or minus v plus or minus w plus or minus so on. U is a function, v is a function, w is also a function, but isn't it? And all of them are differentiable with respect to x. Then I can write dy by dx will be equal to, individually you can write beta, du by your dx plus rather plus minus rather minus, then dv by your dx plus or minus dw divided by dx plus or minus, so on like that. Okay, let me give an example for this. First example, if y is equals to 3 into x power 5 plus 3 into x cube minus 5. If I'm asking you to find dy by dx, then what will be the answer for this one? You see, dy by your dx will be equal to, you will be differentiating 3x to the power of 5 divided by dx plus differentiation of 3x to the power of 3 divided by dx minus differentiation of 5 divided by your dx. So in this one, you take out the 3 out, then again you need to differentiate x to the power of 5 divided by dx. Plus 3 is a constant, so bring out, then differentiation of x cube divided by dx minus differentiation of any constant is 0. So this is 3 into, this is 5x to the power of 5 minus 1, first formula, plus 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. So this will be equal to how much, beta? 3 5 is a 15, x to the power of 5 minus 1 4, plus 3 3 is a 9, x to the power of 3 minus 1 2. So this will be the answer. Is that clear, beta? Is it clear for everyone? Very good. Okay, let me give you one more example. Example number 2. If y is equals to, say for example, root x plus 2x to the power of your 3 by 2 plus 4 by x square plus some 5. I'm asking you to find dy by dx. I'm asking you to find dy by dx. So let me know how many of you will give me the answer. So it is dy by your dx will be equal to differentiation of your root x. Differentiation of root x will be equal to how much, beta? 1 by 2 into root x. Okay, so do I need to do this differentiation once again? I'll do it in details basically. First rule लगा रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. Like this is the differentiation of your root x divided by your dx plus differentiation of 2 x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by dx plus differentiation of 4 x square को ऊपर लेके जाए तो कितना हो जाएगा, x power minus 2 divided by dx plus then differentiation of 5 divided by dx. Step clear है सभी को? Root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2, isn't it? So इसका differentiation कितना आ जाएगा बेटा? Half x to the power of half minus 1 plus 2 बाहर निकालो, x to the power of 3 by 2 मतलब कितना? 3 by 2 को पहले लिख लो, x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 करना है प्लस फिर 4 कांस्टेंट है तो 4 बाहर निकालो, so x to the power of minus 2 है तो minus 2 x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 करना है और डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 5 कितना होता है बेटा? 0. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? हाफ x to the power of हाफ minus 1 कितना होता है? minus half प्लस ये 2 और ये 2 कट गया, this will be 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 will be equal to how much, beta? Anyone? 3 by 2 minus 1 will be equal to how much for me? 1 by 2. Is it clear? Then plus minus minus 4 2 is 8. This will become for me x to the power of minus 2 minus 1 will become for me minus 3. So that will be equal to x power minus 1 by 2 अगर नीचे लेके गया तो this will become for me 1 by x power plus, तो इसको रूट में लिख सकता हूँ मैं, plus this one is 3 x power 1 by 2 can be written as root x minus this will become for me 8 x power minus 3 को नीचे चले गया तो प्लस बन जाएगा x power 3. So that will be the answer for this. Clear है सभी को? Let me check. Please tell in the middle. Asif Garu, this is Vamshi. Please tell all the students to message their name and phone numbers too, so that we can create a WhatsApp group of this class. And if anyone have any doubts, they can raise in the group. So it will be easy. Okay, fine. You can just check it out, beta. Please tell in the middle of the class. Okay, fine. For me, it is. Okay, beta, आप लोग अपना नाम और just tell your name and your numbers, so that we can create a WhatsApp group for you specially, and we can make a what you call that one sessions for your classes regularly. और एक systematic way में जाएगा. From Monday we'll be starting with your in detail depth and highly expected questions from each chapter with very good DPPs and everything. So just text your names and your phone numbers so that the concerned team can create a WhatsApp group for you and they can raise your doubts, and if you're interested for chemistry and biology also you can join it out. ठीक है, चलो, very good. नेक्स्ट वन देखो, रूल नंबर 3. रूल नंबर 3, डिफरेंशिएशन का रूल नंबर 3. What does this says beta? See here, very important. If y is equals to u dot v, multiplication, isn't it? U dot v. U is a function where v is also a function. Both u and v are function. ठीक है ना? अगर कोई भी फंक्शन अपने को u dot v फॉर्म में आ रहा है, then dy by dx will be equal to, देखो कैसा कर रहा हूं मैं इसको. पहले जो u है ना, u को as it is रख दो, then you differentiate the v, dv divided by dx. Clear है? I'll keep the first one as it is, then differentiate the second term. फिर प्लस मारो, sorry, then plus मारो, then keep the second term as it is, that is v into, then differentiate the first term, du divided by dx. फिर से एक बार, very important. If y is equals to your u dot v, then dy by dx is equals to, पहले u वाले को ले लो, then differentiate the second term, then keep the value of the v, then differentiate the first term. Clear है सभी को ये? Is it clear for everyone? Sorry. Is it clear? If y is equals to u dot v, product rule. Product rule. Then dy by dx is equals to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Is it clear for everyone? Let me give an example. If y is equals to x cube into cos x. Okay. My question is find dy by dx, isn't it? If you see it very carefully, x cube में क्या है बेटा? u है. देखो x cube में क्या है मेरे पास? u है. In the place of your x cube, I'm having u, and in the place of cos x, I'm having v. ठीक है ना? So u will be equal to how much for me here? U is equals to x cube है, and v is equals to your cos x है. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो. dy by dx will be equal to, पहले first x cube को as it is रखो, then differentiate your cos x divided by dx plus, then keep the second term as it is. What is the second term? Cos x, then differentiate x cube in a similar manner. ठीक है ना? तो x cube को as it is रख दिया. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन कितना था बेटा? यहाँ पर लिखा था, देखो मैंने. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन कितना था? cos x, तो cos x लिख देना. Differentiation of your sin x will be equal to your differentiation of the cos x. कितना है बेटा? Differentiation of your cos x कितना है? जल्दी से देखो. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos का differentiation minus, so I need to write minus sin x. So this will be equal to minus of sin x plus cos x को as it is रख दो. Then differentiation of x cube, पावर जो है ना, पहले पावर को लिख लो, then x as it is, then power minus 1, यानी 3 minus 1. ये हो गया मेरे पास minus sin x, ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ, into your x cube. ठीक है ना? Plus this will be equal to your cos x into 3x to the power of 2. So I can write something like this, minus x cube into your sin x plus 3 into x square into your cos x. आ गया सभी को? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear? Any doubt to anyone? One more example, please. ठीक है चलो. ऐसा पूछ के कर लिया कर लो यार, अच्छा रहेगा. Second example, see here, if I'm taking y is equals to x into log x minus x, my question is find dy by dx, find dy by dx. ठीक है, अब इसको करने का तरीका देख लो जल्दी से. Now I need to differentiate this one, तो dy by dx will be equal to how much? I'll write again with the same pen. तो x into log x है, तो x के पोजीशन में u, log x के पोजीशन में v, then subtract करना है बेसिकली. ठीक है ना. So this is your differentiation of your something like this, x into log of your x divided by dx minus फिर x को डिफरेंशिएट करना है dx divided by dx. ठीक है, तो dx और dx को डिफरेंशिएट करो 1 आ जाएगा. So this is a product rule. In the place of your u x, in the place of v log x. तो पहले क्या करोगे, x को as it is रखोगे, then we'll be differentiating your log x divided by dx, isn't it? Then plus, उसके बाद फिर log x को as it is रखोगे, then differentiating your dx by your dx minus 1 चले गया तो 1 आ गया मेरे पास. So that is equal to x. Differentiation of log x कितना था देखो बेटा, एक बार रिवाइज देख लो एक बार. Differentiation of log x मैंने बताया था 9th one. Differentiation of your log x is how much? 1 by x. तो 1 by x लिख लेना है इसको. ठीक है, so differentiation of this one will become for me 1 by x. ठीक है, plus this will be equal to log x. dx by dx कितना होता है 1 minus 1. ठीक है ना, तो अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, कितना हो जाता है ax और ax चले गया, तो ये बचा कितना यहाँ पर 1 plus this one is of your log x into 1 is log x minus 1. ये plus 1 minus 1, so this will also get cancelled. So the answer will be equal to your log x. This will be the answer. ठीक है ना बेटा? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubt? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubt? थोड़े होमवर्क दे दो, इस पे कर लोगे? Shall I give you some examples or some homework on your rule 3? आप लोग करके, okay, I'll give you some examples. आप लोग घर बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करिए. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा तो प्लीज लेट मी, I'll give you the conditions. मैं कल एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ठीक है, so I'm writing here homework on rule 3. Homework on rule 3. First one, मान के चलो y is equals to x cube into tan x. ठीक है, next one, y is equals to x power 4 into your log of your x. Third one, y is equals to मान के चलो x square plus 1 into your x cube plus 2x plus of your 5. ठीक है ना, इतना आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर लो एक बार, काफी है. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट वन, rule 4. Okay, so what does the rule 4 says? You see, if y is equals to u by v, division rule, okay, where u and v are differentiable, where u and v are what? Differentiable functions. Differentiable functions. Clear? If y is equals to u by v, very important beta. If y is equals to u by v, where u and v are differentiable functions, तो इसका dy by dx कितना हो जाएगा? dy by your dx will be equal to. Please listen it. How do I am writing? Whatever is in the down part, that is v, तो उसका v square कर दो. ठीक है ना, फिर you write the v as it is, then differentiate the above term, that is du divided by dx. आया समझ में? y is equals to u by v में जो भी नीचे टर्म है उसको स्क्वायर करके लिख दो, and draw a big line and write the down term as a square. Then keep the down term as it is and differentiate the above term. Then here we will be keeping now minus. Then again keep the above term as it is up. Then now differentiate the below term, dv by your dx. Okay. If y is equals to u by v, if y is equals to u by v part of a relation, isn't it? if y is equals to your u by v, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? फर्स्ट v स्क्वायर कर लो, then keep the v as it is and differentiate the above term, then minus sign and then differentiate again, keep the u as it is and differentiate the above term. Very important term hai beta, it is really very important, so be little bit of your care while doing such type of your problems for this one. ठीक है? Is it clear for everyone? Should I do some homework, some examples on this one? कर लें? चलो वेरी गुड. थोड़ा तेज थोड़ा ही हो रहा है क्या? Am I going fast? Am I going fast बेटा? फास्ट जा रहा हूँ तो बोल दिया करो. I'll help you out. There's no problem. If I'm going fast, you please let me know. I'll surely go slow. No problem to anyone? Chalo. We are too late. This much speed is required. We are too late. This much speed is required. No problem. ठीक है चलो. Okay fine. No problem. थोड़े examples कर लेता हूँ मैं इस पे. Very good बेटा. चलो. Example 1. Let's say if I'm giving you y is equals to sine x divided by x u by v. So my question is find dy by dx. ठीक है, जल्दी से देखो इसका dy by your dx. पहले क्या करना है, एक बड़ी सी लाइन ड्रॉ कर लो. नीचे वाला टर्म क्या है यहाँ पर x, तो इसको x स्क्वायर कर दो, फिर x as it is रख दो, then differentiate the sign. It is your sin x divided by dx. फिर माइनस मारो, फिर ऊपर वाले टर्म को as it is रख दो, then फिर नीचे वाले टर्म को डिफरेंशिएट कर लो, dx by dx. So that will be equal to your x. Differentiation of sin x is how much beta? Cos x minus a हो गया sin x into dx by dx is 1 divided by your x square. आया सभी को? Isn't it? So the answer is x into cos x minus sin x into 1 is sin x divided by x square. So we can leave the answer like this one. Is it clear for everyone? Any doubt? No problem. Without try to bol do. Let me give you one more example. Like say for example, if I'm taking a function y is equals to tan x. Y is equals to tan x. Tan x कैसे लिख सकता हूँ बेटा मैं? Sin theta by cos theta, and this will become for me sin x divided by cos x. Y is equals to tan x को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? Sin by cos. अब u by v में u is sin x and v is cos x. तब क्या करना है इसका डिफरेंशिएशन में बताओ जल्दी से. dy by your dx कर लो, एक बड़ी सी लाइन मार लो ऐसा, नीचे वाले टर्म को स्क्वायर कर लो cos स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स, फिर नीचे वाले टर्म को एज इट इज रख दो, देन डिफरेंशिएट योर sin x डिवाइडेड बाय dx, फिर माइनस मारो, फिर ऊपर वाले टर्म को कीप एज इट इज, differentiate the lower term, that is cos x divided by dx. Is it clear for everyone? I'm writing the answer here. dy by your dx will be equal to cos x is as it is, differentiation of sin x will be equal to how much for me? Cos x minus this one is your sin x into differentiation of cos will be equal to minus of sin x divided by cos square into x. ये क्या बन जाएगा? cos square into your x, cos into cos, that is cos square into theta, minus of your minus of minus, this will become for me plus sin square into your x divided by cos square into your x. You know that cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. ये हो गया 1 divided by cos square x. 1 by cos theta is known as how much beta? Can anyone tell me? Secant theta. So this one is sec square x. आ गया सभी को? Is everyone clear? Sir, you give the questions, I'll solve it in the class itself. चलो, very good. हाँ बेटा, मैं दे दूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ठीक है, तो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ tan x कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? secant square into your x. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? ठीक है, चलो, let me give you one more example. और एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3. मान के चलो y is equals to cot x है. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बताओ जल्दी से. How do you write the cot x बेटा? Cot x can be written as cos theta by sin theta. How do you write the value of cot? Cot is equals to cos by sin. So this will be your cos x divided by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x. Now do the differentiation of this one. dy by your dx will be equal to, बड़ी सी लाइन मार दो. नीचे वाला term is sin square into x. Then keep the above term sin x as it is. Then differentiate your cos x divided by dx. Then minus. Then keep the above term as it is. Then differentiate the below term, that is sin x divided by dx. तो ये बन जाएगा मेरे कितना? sin x into differentiation of cos is how much बेटा? Minus of your sin x minus ये हो गया cos x. Differentiation of sin will be equal to how much बेटा? Cos of your x divided by sin square into x. आया सभी को यहाँ तक? Is it clear for everyone? Isn't it? So that can be written as minus of sin x into sin x, sin square x, minus cos x into cos x, cos square into x divided by sin square into x. अब इसमें if I take minus common, this will become for me sin square x plus of your cos square x. इसको bracket में डाल दो, divided by sin square into x. Sin square theta plus cos square theta कितना होता है बेटा? 1. So that will be equal to your how much? Minus 1 divided by sin square into x. 1 by sin is nothing but what? Cosecant. तो ये हो गया minus of your cosecant square into x. ये हो गया इसका आंसर. Very good. Very good. ठीक है. ठीक है बेटा. Shall I give you some more examples? Will you practice on this one? Rule number 4 पे. चलो, I'm giving you some examples as an homework. You please try to do it at your home. Homework on rule number 4. Number 1. Like say y is equals to cosecant x. Okay. Then y is equals to x divided by x square plus 1 to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. और होना है क्या किसी को? You need some more? अभी है. More. ठीक है, और एक ले लो. y is equals to log x divided by x. Another one, y is equals to tan x divided by root x. Okay, ये practice कर लो आप. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, इतना बेसिक आप लोग के पास होना जरूरी है. Is it clear for everyone? चलो, next one very important बेटा, that is chain rule. ये बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आता तो जरा मैं डिटेल में बोलूंगा, so be little bit careful. अगर नहीं आ रहा तो जरा प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा कर लेना. Okay, function of function. Next heading, function of a function. Function of a function. It is also called as a what? Chain rule. Which is also known as what? Chain rule. isn't it? Let me tell you the method for this one. See here. If y is equals to मान के चलो x square plus 1 to the power of 5. See, expanding this one is very difficult for me. So what we'll do is we'll assume x square plus 1 as of your u. Okay. So what we'll do is we will assume x square plus 1 as u. Therefore, this will become for me y is equals to u to the power of 5. Okay, na? That means u is equals to how much I have assumed? X square plus 1. That means u is the function of x. Is it clear? Because the way x value is changing, u value also changes. If I take x value 1, the u value will become how much for me? 1 square plus 1, that is 2. Isn't it? Like that, u is being changing depending upon the value of x. So I can say that u is a function of x, and here y is the function of u. So I can say here, hence, y is a function of u, and u is a function of x. So क्या करना है मालूम? In this case, we say that y is a function of function. दो function एक ही साथ में. तब इसको करने का तरीका देखो. So to find the differentiation of y with respect to x, so we follow a chain rule. Chain rule क्या बोल रहा है देखो? dy by over dx must be equal to. Now see, y is a function of what, beta? U, no? Isn't it? See here. Y is the function of what? Sorry. Is there undo for me? No. Okay. See here. Y is the function of, sorry, ये पूरा भी चले जा रहा. Yeah. See here. Y is the function of u, and u is the function of x. तो इसको लिखने का तरीका देखो right now. Y should be the function of your u into u must be the function of your x. Clear? Dy by your dx will be equal to y is the function of your u and u is the function of your x. So dy by dx is equals to dy by du into your du by your dx. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any doubt to anyone? If y is equals to x square plus 1 to the power of 5, expanding that is more difficult. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? X square plus 1 को we are assuming it as u. Now the equation will become for me y is equals to u to the power of 5, where u is the function of x, because u is how much for me? X square plus 1. So here y is the function of u and u is the function of x. So we will be writing the answer as dy by your dx is equals to dy by du into your du by dx. Khatam? Clear hai? Let me give an example for this. See here. If y is equals to sine of your x cube, okay, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay, what we'll do is we will assume x cube as of your u. Okay, so we will assume x cube as u. Therefore, u is function of x. Therefore, u is how much for me? X cube. Therefore, y will become how much for me? Sine into your u. So first differentiate the y with respect to u. So that is equals to d into your sine of your u divided by dx. Differentiation of sine is nothing but cos u. Now keep back the value of u here. What is u here? X cube. Is that point clear here right now? Now again differentiate u with respect to x. So it is du divided by dx. Okay. So that is equals to d. In the place of u, it is x cube divided by dx. So differentiation of x cube is how much better? 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. That is 3 into your x square. Now multiply both of them because we know the formula dy by your du is equals to, sorry, dy by dx. Sorry. What is the formula? Dy by your dx is equals to dy by your du into your du divided by dx. So substitute in this one, we'll get the answer. See, I'll substitute this one here. Dy by your dx will be equal to dy by du is how much for me? Cos of your x cube into du by dx is how much? 3 into your x square. Okay, so the answer will be coming out for me how much better? 3 into x square into your cos of your x cube. Please answer. Any doubt to anyone? How should we differentiate whether we use chain rule or product rule for a question? Look, beta, it is not a product rule. Where you are seeing product rule, beta? This is sin theta के अंदर x cube है. There is no into here, so there is no question of a product rule, beta. Sir, once again, please. तो और एक प्रॉब्लम करा देता हूँ ना. Once again बोले तो, ठीक है? देखो और एक प्रॉब्लम करा देता हूँ. So we'll get a clarity here. Example number 2. मान के चलो y is equals to sine of your 2x. Okay, now we need to find dy by dx. चेन रूल से sin 2x है तो क्या करना है इसको बेटा? We will assume 2x as u. Therefore, u will be equal to how much beta? 2x. Why you are assuming 2x beta as u? Because you know the value you can write as sin theta only or sin x only. You never write in a trigonometry like sin 2x, sin x cube, x power 4. वो अपने को नहीं मालूम है. So that is the reason if it is apart from x, if it is x square, x cube, then you assume that inner term as of your u and try to do it by the chain rule. हाँ, चेन रूल ही बोल के क्यों मालूम होना बोले तो देखो बेटा, अगर ये sin x होता तो आपको डिफरेंशिएशन सीधा सीधा है. sin 2x है, 4x है, x क्यूब है, तो उसका कोई भी कहीं पर भी मैथमेटिक्स में उसका रूल नहीं है. तो इन ऑर्डर टू सिंप्लीफाई दैट वन वी आर राइटिंग द साइन का इनर टर्म को एक सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में बना रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? तो अब ये क्या बन जाएगा बेटा फॉर को? y is equals to your क्या बन जाएगा? y is equals to your sin of your u. Now y is depending upon u, so differentiation of this one will be how much beta? dy by du is equals to sin u का differentiation cos u. Now keep back the value of your u, that is cos of your 2x. Then differentiate the u with respect to x. du by your dx will be equal to d. In the place of u कितना है? 2x divided by dx. तो 2 बाहर निकालो, ये हो गया dx divided by dx. ये वाला चला गया, तो ये वाला आ गया 2. Now substitute in the formula. dy by your dx will be equal to dy by your du into your du by your dx है. ठीक है ना? ये वाला कितना है यहाँ पर? cos of your 2x है into ये कितना है? 2. तो आंसर आ जाएगा 2 into cos of your 2x. ठीक है? Is it clear? 2 into cos 2x. Very good. बेटा आप लोग अपने नाम लिखा करो यार, कुछ भी वही नहीं रहे तो कैसा बोलो? धीरज माधवन. वेरी गुड सर, प्लीज ट्राई अनदर वन. क्लियर सर? और एक कराऊं? ठीक है चलो और एक करा देता हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा समझने के लिए. नो इश्यू, आई विल हेल्प यू आउट वंस अगेन. ठीक है? थर्ड एग्जांपल ले लो. if मान के चलो y is equals to cos of your 3x. Okay, my question is find dy by dx. So what we'll do, assume inner function, that is 3x is equals to u. So therefore y will become for me cos of your u. So u is a function of, y is a function of u. So dy by your du is equals to d, in the place of y क्या है मेरे पास, cos u divided by du. Differentiation of cos कितना होता है बेटा, minus of your sin u. Then substitute back the value of u. u को जो समझा उसको वापस रख दो, that is your 3x. तो ये हो गया मेरा differentiation of dy by du. Now differentiate u with respect to x. So it is du divided by dx. So that will be equal to your d, in the place of u कितना है 3x divided by dx. तो 3 constant है बाहर निकालो, this is your dx divided by dx. dx क्या लगेगा, this is your 3. Substitute in the formula, dy by your dx will be equal to dy by your du into your du divided by your dx. So dy by du कितना है बेटा मेरे पास, minus of your sin into your 3x into du by dx कितना है 3. तो आंसर कितना आ जाएगा, -3 into sin of your 3x. क्लियर है सभी को? Is it clear for everyone? Shall I give you some homework? चलो थोड़े होमवर्क दे देता हूँ, आप लोग ट्राई करो इसमें. Homework on your chain rule. First one. If y is equals to x square plus 3x to the power of 4. Okay. And y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 3 to the power of -3. Okay. In the same way, y is equals to sin of your 3x plus cos of your 2x. आराम से करो. Fourth one, y is equals to your मान के चलो sin of your 3x plus of your 2. Fifth one, y is equals to x square plus 2x to the power of your 1 by. ठीक है ना? So by this one we have been completed your differentiation part. किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो देख लो जल्दी से. एक बार मैं आपको रिवाइज करा देता हूँ क्या क्या किया हम लोग ने आज. So just started with your integrations. ठीक है. So first rule, y is equals to x to the, not rule, formula, y is equals to x to the power of your n. So differentiation of that one is how much better, dy by dx is equals to how much for me, n into x to the power of n minus 1. Isn't it? So this one is this one. Okay. So in the same way, these are some examples I did it. The next one, some standard formulas I have written it. Then I started doing with the rules. This is rule number 1. So y is equals to some constant. So whenever you get some constant and function, so bring the constant out and differentiate the function. The next one is rule number 2. When there is an addition and subtraction of the functions, you just do it individually. If there is plus sign, you try to use the plus sign. If there is a minus sign, use the minus sign. That's it. Then we did a product rule. Y is equals to u dot v. Then dy by dx is how much better? We'll keep the first term as it is u, then differentiate the second term dv by dx, plus then we'll keep the second term as it is and we'll differentiate the first term. Sir, last slide please. हाँ अभी दे रहा हूँ बेटा, ठीक है ना. उसके बाद मैंने सब होमवर्क दिया, ये कर लो. Rule number 4, which is known as of your division rule, isn't it? So if y is equal to u by v, where u and v are differentiable functions, then dy by dx is how much better, v into du by dx minus u into first one is you draw a straight line, a very big line, and down whatever is term is square it, then keep the down term as it is and differentiate the above term, minus u, again differentiate and keep the above term as it is and differentiate the below term. That's it. And I have given you some examples on this one. You can practice that one. Some homework also I have given you. Next one is function of function beta, chain rule. If there is any function which is very hard to expand, like x square plus 1 to the power of 5, can you expand it? No ना. तो उसको क्या करना है? x square plus 1 इनर जो टर्म है ना उसको हम लोग u मान के चल रहे हैं. So we will assume x square plus 1 as u. तो क्या बन जाएगा? Y is equals to u to the power of 5. And what is u? U is equals to x square plus 1. That means u is the function of what for me? X. So here y is the function of your u and u is the function of x. So now in this case we say that y is the function of function. So dy by dx will be equal to dy by du into your du by dx. ठीक है? चलो उसके बाद I'll give some examples. You can practice that for this. Okay. फर्स्ट वाला करने नहीं आया. क्यों करने नहीं आया? देखो बेटा बहुत छोटा सा ये. देखो फर्स्ट वाला मैं भी कर दे रहा हूँ. अरे कहाँ गया पेन? आ जाए बेटा. हाँ फर्स्ट वाला देखो. Solution of first one. Y is equals to x square plus 3x to the power of 4. What you will do? Assume x square plus 3x is equals to u. Therefore, y is equals to u to the power of 4. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? dy by du will be equal to 4 u to the power of 4 minus 1. तो ये बन जाएगा 4 u to the power of 3. That means 4 u का वैल्यू कितना है? x square plus 3x to the power of 3. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? Then whatever you assume, you function it. U is equal to how much for me? X square plus 3x. Na? That means u is the function of x. So you differentiate u with respect to x. So x square का differentiation 2x plus 3. क्योंकि 3x का differentiation 3 है. Now write the chain rule. dy by your dx will be equal to dy by your du into your du divided by dx. तो कितना आ जाएगा? 4 into x square plus of your 3x whole cube into this is 2x plus of your 3. That will be the answer. आया बेटा? हाँ प्रैक्टिस कर लो, आ जाएगा आराम से. ठीक है ना? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? चलो वेरी गुड. हाँ पीडीएफ भेजूंगा बेटा. आज ग्रुप आप लोग अपना नंबर नाम वगैरह दे दो. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर दिया जाएगा. देन एवरी डिटेल्स विल बी गेटिंग फॉर यू डायरेक्टली. अभी ऐड करेंगे बेटा. आप लोग अपने अपने नंबर जल्दी डाल दो क्योंकि मीटिंग अगर एंड हो गई तो फिर बाद में लेना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज सेंड योर नंबर्स एंड योर नेम. रिपीटर हो या फर्स्ट ईयर हो सेकेंड ईयर हो वो भी आप लोग भेज दो सो दैट वी कैन ऐड यू आउट. संतोष सर. संतोष सर we'll try to do integration tomorrow beta. So today you complete your differentiation part once again. I'll try to send you the complete notes. Recorded भी मिल जाएगा आप लोग को. You can listen there and you can practice that one once. And tomorrow we'll try to complete the integration and the log conversions वगैरह कर लेंगे. And थोड़े बहुत तो square roots tricks वगैरह कर लेंगे. Then we'll try to keep the full stop for the basic mathematics. Then we'll enter into the vectors. ठीक है? When your team will add with us, sir. I'm telling there beta. I think they are taking the screenshots. I don't know. Santosh sir, if you are listening, please can you respond? Vamshi garu, who is the host? Okay, but आज का differentiation इतना ही बेटा. We'll try to do the integrations in the tomorrow session of your class. Rise is the host. Yeah, I know it, but name होना ना. So standard formless side please. हाँ बेटा मैं भेज दूंगा आप लोग को. ठीक है, I'll send you. क्लास समझ में आया सभी को? थैंक यू. चलो अच्छा है, जज़ाकल्लाह. वर्क करना है बेटा. ठीक है चलो. ओके टेक केयर बेटा. बाय.